Similarly, in the present perfect tense, what? Present perfect tense. Subject plus helping verb and plus third form of the main verb. We use I, we, you, they with this have, and he, she, it, any name with this has. Okay. When we make negative form, then we put have plus not, haven't with the I, we, you, they, and has plus not, hasn't with the he, she, it, or any name, and we always use V3, third form of the root word. Okay. When we make present perfect interrogative sentences, that time firstly we write down have or has according to the subject, and then after subject as a form of noun or pronoun, and at last we put the V3, that means third form of the verb, root verb. Okay. Now look the formula. Identity firstly we look. Present perfect, that means चुका हूँ, चुका है, चुकी है, चुके हैं. जो हिंदी वाक्य हैं प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट से रिलेटेड, उसके अंत में आपको चुका हूँ, चुका है, चुकी है, चुके हैं, इस तरीके से वाक्य जो है वो लास्ट में कंप्लीट होगा. ये इसकी पहचान है. एंड इट्स अफर्मेटिव, नेगेटिव एंड इंट्रोगेटिव फॉर्मूला. In affirmative form, subject plus have has plus V3 plus object. Similarly, in a negative form, we use not with the helping verb. Okay, because the helping verb is has or have, so we put not with the have or has. So what's the formula of negative? Subject plus have has plus not plus V3 plus object, and then when we convert it into interrogative form, we use firstly have or have plus subject plus V3 plus object, and at last we put the question mark because it is a interrogative sentences. Now let me take an example. She has plucked flowers. She has plucked flowers. Plucked, this is the second form, and third form is also same, pluck, plucked, plucked. She has plucked flowers, we use here V3 form, and when we convert it into negative, she hasn't plucked flowers. She hasn't plucked flowers, and when we convert into interrogative form, firstly we write down the has, and then after subject as a noun or pronoun form. Has she plucked flowers, and then put the question mark. And now again we look present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense, this is the fourth form of the present tense. And when we convert into affirmative, negative and interrogative sentence, the formula will be subject plus has, have, been. We use have been, has been, okay, according to the subject, plus V4 because it is a continuous form. So we always use V1 plus ing, that is V4 form, plus object plus since or for, and plus time and remaining part of the sentence. Similarly, in a negative we put not. Not is used between have and being word. Okay. So what's the formula of negative sentences? Subject plus has, have plus not, being plus V4 plus since or for plus time. Okay. And in interrogative sentences, firstly we write down has or have according to the earlier interrogative form. Has oblique have plus subject plus been plus before plus remaining part of the sentence, and last we put the question mark. And we also know about this tense is used for an action which began at some time in the past and is still continuing. पास्ट में यह स्टार्ट हुआ था और अभी भी वह बना हुआ है. ओके. Since, when we use since, it is point of time. We already know about that. And for, we use period of time. Point of time. For example, हमने कहा कि सुबह से पढ़ रही है. सुबह तो दिन का, एक दिन में सुबह केवल एक ही बार होती है. दैट इज द पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. वह 2000 से इंडिया में रह रहा है. सन 2000 से इंडिया में रह रहा है. तो दैट मीन्स 2000 ओनली वन टाइम में आएगा. सो दिस इज द पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. एंड फॉर व्हेन वी यूज पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, दैट मीन्स वह 4 घंटे से पढ़ रहा है. बट वी डोंट नो वो 4 बजे कौन से 4 बजे हैं, सुबह के 4 बजे हैं कि शाम के 4 बजे हैं. ओके. 4 घंटे से पढ़ रहा है. 4 घंटे से पढ़ रहा है तो पता नहीं चल रहा है वो 10 बजे से पढ़ रहा है. उसने अपनी स्टार्टिंग पढ़ाई जो है वो 10 बजे से की है स्टार्ट, या फिर 12 बजे से की है. So we don't know about the particular time. So this is show the period of time that we use for. Okay. In a verb क्या है, perfect continuous tense. Okay. I hope student you have to learn properly it. Look the example in affirmative form. She has been plucking flower for an hour. For an hour, 1 घंटे से. परंतु वो एक घंटे कौन से हैं वो हमको पता नहीं है. So we use here for because this is the period of time. Negative sentence, she hasn't been plucking flower for an hour. And in interrogative form, hasn't she been plucking flower for an hour, and last put the question mark. And now look the second example of for present perfect continuous tense. I have been going to market. I have been going to market for an hour. Okay. And similarly we put not when we change into negative form. Then we make the sentence like that. I haven't been going to market for an hour. And in an interrogative form, firstly we put the have or have. So we write down here, have I been going to market